Lighting is not as complicated as you might think. Lighting in a non-professional capacity really comes down to having enough light and having them in the right spot. I have seen so many people, for example, have plenty of light behind them. And it's okay to have light behind you. I have light behind me right now. It's giving my hair a nice little glow. But the light behind you cannot be brighter than the light in front of you. That is called backlight, and it is great if you want to be in the witness protection program. It is not so great if you want your clients and your audience to be able to see your face. You can actually get enough light using the things you already have at home. Reading lamps, makeup lamps, perhaps you have some of those work lamps that you get at Home Depot. If you're just using a couple lamps that you have lying around at home, put one on either side of your computer so both sides of your face are lit. Try to not have them shining directly into the camera on your computer or phone or directly into your eyeballs because we don't want to blind you. But that will provide enough light, and that is really key. Enough light on your face so that the camera on your phone or computer can pick up the details of your face so that we, the audience, can feel like we see you while you are delivering your message.